We'll make our way down the western side of the Derwent, past Blackman's Bay. This is quite a spectacular section of shore.
The boat is incredible. Yeah. I did not expect that from down here. Yeah, it looked like something from King Kong, something you'd expect from the Northern Hemisphere, like, you know, the Greenlands, Iceland's kind of style. Those cliff faces were, yeah, I'll never forget that. Lodge is amazing. You can just go have some quiet time.
Food and accommodation was fantastic.
Star food, definitely. It's been incredible.
Especially the post-processing stuff that we did. I learned so much stuff, and I'm excited to go back to a lot of my old shots.
Talking about depth of field and shutter speeds and, you know, apertures and then looking at other people's photos.
You're spending any time, let alone as much time on the processing side of it. Under the cliffs, I think that's like, I can't wait to see those photos develop.
Every day is like actually better than the previous day. To experience the shots, the boat trip, and then the second boat trip was even better, and then first sunset shot. The first night and the second night was the third night. It was even better at the lighthouse. We were running down the cliff faces and trying to catch the light, and it was just amazing. It's like, yeah, every day's improved, and we got the astro shots as well, and yeah, just totally amazed. Yeah.
It's been quite customisable to everybody's kind of skill level and interest as well.
Best experience you can, and they get out and do all these shoots, but also enjoy the food and the experience of being on Bruny Island, because that's the important part for us. This is how we think through photography and these other forms of low touch. We can actually preserve what's down here.
Every time you help people learn, you learn yourself, and so you learn about yourself and how you work, but also better ways to explain things and that sort of thing.
Just being in such a, you know, beautiful, rugged, natural environment.
It's really nice. You guys are really inspired, and you're obviously passionate. It's not just a job. It's much more than that, and that really comes across big time.